Hi all, welcome to Diversified Finance. Let's have a quick look at the Bitcoin price action. So Bitcoin had a massive rally from about like 16k to about 21k. So right now it's holding above 21,000, and also it's about 200 weekly moving average, 200 day moving average. So that's a pretty good sign. So we've seen similar moves probably in 2019, and what we notice when it goes so high, right? We tend to see RSI goes into overbought, and what normally happens, people just wait for it to retest, come back to maybe 19,000 or 18,000, but there's a high probability in this sort of a move because it's coming out from a RSI wise is coming out from like a 2 year bear market. It could not, might not even retest. It might not retest, could keep on going higher from here before we see a pullback. The thing is, people who did not DCA around like 17k, 16k, 15k, 15.5k, or somewhere near 16k, they were actually waiting for Bitcoin to go down to like 14k or 12k. Most people were waiting for Bitcoin to go a lot lower. So normally when that happens, when the majority expecting something to happen, there's a high probability that it might not happen. So that's what we have seen. And so given that it's coming out from a 2 year bear market from a RSI perspective, there's a high chance it might not even retest. It could keep on going higher. I mean, we might not see a retrace until it gets up to like 30k or something. It might hit 30k, then we probably might come back down to 25k. So if you're still waiting on the sidelines, maybe it's okay for you to probably put maybe 20-30% into Bitcoin and expect it to come a little bit lower, right? But if you wait for a retrace to like 20k, if it's not going to happen, you're going to completely miss out. You'll probably be buying it at 25k or something, because it could go to 30k, retrace back down to 25k, and probably have another leg up. That's scenario number one. There's another probability, like maybe like 20%, 30% chance it could come back all the way to 16k, or it could even go lower 15k. There's a possibility that could happen. But I am thinking, like, you're looking at the Bitcoin price and all the news and the recession fears that I heard, there's a high probability before a recession they might push the price up a lot higher. So there's a probability that Bitcoin could go all the way to 55k, 50 to 60k before we see before we see it goes into like a bear market, like like a short-term bear market before the halvening. So it's you rather be in Bitcoin right now. Like, let's say you plan to invest 10,000, right? You can just put like $2,000 to $3,000, or even 50% you put in right now, and expect like for a correction to happen. If it's not going to happen, at least you have some money in Bitcoin, right? So let's not wait for a pullback, because looking at the previous price charts, there could be a possibility Bitcoin might not come down right now. It might come back later after hitting 30k. Okay, so that's just a quick video regards to Bitcoin price action. I'll talk to you in the next video. Thank you. See ya. Bye.